Learn.
I don't like you very much. Go have some fun and stop watching this LD show, because I'm tired.
I finished my gherkin.
Say it again.
What time does it say on the clock box?
4:30 in the morning.
Wow. Can you hear that? Yeah.
The
You gotta go through outside.
Sophie. Presenting Jamie Oliver.
Hello everybody. Right, we're gonna make something. Sophie. Come on here. Hi. Yes. Crystal, you need a Bible. You don't wear it like this. You wear it like this. Hello. Now, let's talk. Your main ingredient. This is what we call fat cat whiskers. You need to get a lot of those. We can put some on back in there. It looks like we've been. Next, orange juice. Get a lot in there. Don't be afraid to cover them up. Now we're marinating.
No.
We're marinating them. Can't open that one. We'll have to open it this way. You need to add some black pepper. Take that away now. Next, we have this. I don't exactly know what this is. What is it?
Soy sauce.
No, it's Worcestershire. It's that. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcester sauce.
Saucy. Coriander. This is the next ingredient. It's a very finely scented pepper. It's a very finely smelled spice. We're only meant to put a bit, but you know that'll be enough. Next, we put the thyme on. That's time for the main ingredient. Now it's time for the main ingredient.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Don't be afraid to get it on there. There we go. Enough. Alright, there's lots of salted. So now we need to add more sipper.
Stop.
Now we need more salt. Sipper. Table salt. Just put a bit on there. Don't put too much on. Loads of salt and ketchup. Go. Who the hell is it, Saucy? Now we mix it up a bit like this. Don't get one of those fancy whisks. All you need is these babies. So these babies. Here we go. You just don't be afraid to mix it up. Barely get in it. Mix it like this. Crunch it. Yes. Yes. Ooh. No. Ew. Ew. No.
Wiping up with your passion.
Who's she?
Who is that?
I don't know.
Chipping away.
What is
Can I try it?
No, really.
Oh, that's sick.
This will help with the clogging.
I used to have a sticky finger in.
You can both.
Use your hand now. I'm trying to wash it away now.
What are you looking at, man?